Today I'm going to make a little video about how to fix a problem I have with my Hilux. So my left indicator, just my left, just this one, wasn't working. Bull bar was flashing fine. So everything was fine, but that was never going. And you know, you think, oh, okay, it's a bulb. It's always a bulb. It wasn't a bulb. So yeah, all the indicators were working other than that one. And then what really threw me off was today when I was driving along, suddenly the indicator came on like steady, full on orange. Just that one globe, and I had the keys out of the ignition, and I was standing next to the car, completely off, and my bulb's still on. So you can see I've ripped my Hilux pretty much to pieces here, trying to figure this out. So what it is there's this relay module here, which I would have known about if I didn't. I have an auxiliary battery which lives in this tray. So this little relay module normally lives here. If you've got an auxiliary battery tray like I do, they actually just tuck it in down there, and inside here you got a fuse, and you got two of these little bad boys, little flasher relays. Now as you can see on this one, this is the dodgy one. You can see what's going wrong there. That is not right. So what's happened is some water's gotten in there, and it's absolutely munted it. Doesn't surprise me considering where it's sitting. Water gets in this place, so yeah, not so good. But if you replace those, the indicator will come back right as rain. So a couple of symptoms to look out for: your front indicator, one of your front indicators not working, one of your front indicators coming on solid, just one by itself, but all other indicators on your vehicle work even when your hazards are on. Probably means that it's those flasher relays. I feel like a bit of an idiot because I've pulled my truck apart here, but yeah, hopefully this video helps some other people not make the same mistakes of ripping your wiring harness half out to check that. I probably would have known to look if I didn't have the auxiliary battery, but because that's there, you know, I didn't realize there was flasher relays down there. So well, there you go. Interesting story. So that's what's going on. Buy yourself some extra flasher relays. I'll just give you a little bit of info about these ones so you know what the hell you're dealing with. So the right way around here, there you go. So that's what you're going to want. These little bastards. Probably not stocked at your auto parts store. You're probably going to go to Burson's or someone, but yeah, that's all you'll need and you'll get it working right as rain. That's all from me, guys. If you found the video useful, please by all means like it. Otherwise, yeah, hopefully this helped you out.